Welcome to Delcy. If you are new to the channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post. If you have done all, let us get started. The most valuable video of today. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. You're watching the Delcy channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can set up AdSense ads into your blogger post. I'll show you an example. So in this video I will do like this post. If I scroll down, then I will show you one of these posts. I will click one of these posts in order to show you that what I am going to do within this video. So let us click, for instance, this video. Where is it? Yes, so let us click like this one. Let us wait a little bit time, so the AdSense ads are going to appear. So as you see now, within this post, AdSense ads appeared. So this is an AdSense ad. If I scroll down and scroll down once again, scroll down. So, and also this is an AdSense ad, and it appears only in this page, within this page. So let's scroll down once again. So also this one is another ad. Scroll down. All these ads appear in this page. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up AdSense ads like this into your blogger post. So you will do like this. So if this is your first time that you have visited our site, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post daily. Without delaying much time, let us get started. So at the first time, you come to the dashboard of your blogger blog like this. Then you select the post that you're going to appear AdSense ads. In my case, I'm going to select this one. Oh, amazing. So as you see, this is the blogger blog. This is the blogger post that I have selected right now. So step one, what you will do is you will click a blank space, then you write like this, B. So this is enough. Let me copy it. Copy, scroll down, click here and paste it here. All these places that we are going to paste this written, we are going to replace it AdSense code. So once again, paste here. Let us scroll down. Under the conclusion, let us paste. So that's enough. This is enough to us. 1, 2. This one is 2. And this one is 3. Let us see the last one. And this one is 4. And it lies under the introduction. So the next step that we are going to do is you click here. Then you select HTML view. When you select HTML view like this, you scroll down, and right now you see the BBBBB, yeah, what we have written already. As you see here, we are going to replace this into the AdSense code that we are going to copy right now. So as you see, this is it. So let us come back and let us go to our AdSense dashboard, then select ads. You select ads, follow my steps. Everything is easy, nothing is complicated. So anyway, so the next time, let me zoom for you. You select by ad unit. After selecting by ad unit, you select in article ads. So when you select like this, everything will appear like this. We are using only our phone, our smartphone. We are not using computer. But instead of using computer, we prefer to use our own phone, because we know that a lot of people are using their smartphone, and some people do not have a laptop or computer. That's why they cannot go with us, and our video won't be compatible with them. So in order this video to be compatible with you, you should to have your own smartphone. And let us continue without delaying much time. So you select add unit name. So we say first two, as you see. Then we select, let me zoom for you, save and get the code. Everything is easy, guys, nothing is complicated. So as you see, our code was generated. We are not going to, we are going right now, we are going to copy the code. So copy this code. When you copy this code like this, let us go to our, so when you come here, when you come back to here, then you select this. No, to select this, it is a little bit complicated. So as you see, I have selected right now. So what I'm going to do now is to paste the code. I'm going to replace the code that I have copied from AdSense here. So let me paste it here. Everything is okay now. Once again, let me scroll down and look for another BBBB. As you see another BBBB. Yeah. So once again, I'm going to replace this text AdSense code as same as the previous one. So another code, I'm going to generate another code. So I'm not going to allow this video to be long. I'm going to generate another code, or to take a previous code. So let me take another previous code. So guys, I'm going to take this code. I'm going to take this code. Yes. As you see, I have copied another code right now, and then let me come back. Let me here. Then let me select. So as you see, I have selected the text, BBBBB text I have selected. So what I'm going to do right now is to paste it. Everything is okay now. Let me save. and let us check the result right now. Let us check the result. So let us click. Let us select the post that we have updated. Then scroll down. As you see, the ads is going to appear within this post. So as you see, once again, this is an ad. Scroll down. Scroll down. Once again, this is an ad. So this is how you can allow your blogger post to appear AdSense ads. So guys, I'm going to conclude this video here without prolonging my video. I said to you, if you are new to the channel, once again, make sure to smash the subscribe button and to press the bell icon in order to get every valuable video that we post. Yeah, bye bye.